This 2022 Grand Design Reflection 297 RSTS rear living travel trailer 2 slides as a travel trailer RV. It is located in Longs, North Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, 29568 and is offered for sale by Recreation USA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 33 feet 11 inches in length and features sleeps 6, awning, leveling jacks, external shower, air conditioning, spare tire kit, DVD player, LP detector, TV, oven, water heater, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2022 Grand Design Reflection 297 RSTS rear living travel trailer 2 slides is 8,096 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.